Does your chair feel like it needs some extra back support? Do you find yourself in this lazy and terrible posture and realize you get a lot of back pain out of it? Well, I do, and I feel awful. So today I'll be doing an unboxing video for a mesh back support from Easy Posture Brands. Letting you guys know this video is sponsored by them. I was worried I wouldn't be able to find something that would fit my chair, but I noticed that this particular model seemed pretty flexible. It has different ways to attach the back support to your chair. My awesome fiance is here helping me slide the mesh support over the chair, but I assure you this is something that you could probably easily do on your own, minus the fact that I completely tripped over the chair just now. I'm just a little lazy, and it's just more fun doing things together. I was a little concerned it wasn't going to fit this huge chair I had, but it somehow managed to fit perfectly, and it blended together like it was made for this chair. I didn't use the top harness because it wasn't really necessary, and I just tucked it away in the back. I was pleasantly surprised how comfortable this all was. My expectations were this is probably gonna feel like laying on a wire basket, but that wasn't the case at all. It was nice and cushiony, and I'm surprised how well it keeps me sitting up like a proper lady. If you're interested in this mesh back support, the link will be down below in the description box. Last I checked, it's only this incredible price of $16.95. I totally recommend it. Be sure to check out Easy Posture. The links will be down below. And bye!